Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. OMG, this video is long overdue, girl. We should have done this a long time ago. Today I'm just literally trying to just get right into it. I'm not even introducing myself properly. Hi beauties, let's try this again. Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I am Raw Beauty Artistry, Raw Beauty Artistry _ on Instagram, and Raw Beauty Artistry on Facebook. It is her, she is me, we are here. This is our first formal introduction. I have never actually came on here and introduced myself, nor have you guys ever seen my face. I've always just done voiceovers. So this is our first time actually being within a video. So that is super exciting. But yes, today we are going to do cuticle oil. And this video is so long overdue. We should have done this a long time ago. And I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys. Ever since I started making my own cuticle oil, I have saved so much money. Oh my gosh. It is crazy how much money I've saved on cuticle oil ever since I've made my own. Plus, I love the fact that with me making my own cuticle oil, I can be in control of what ingredients are going inside of it. And then I can also do different scents if I'd like to, add different little objects in it like foil, flowers, glitter. I also love doing themed cuticle oil as well, such as like for Christmas and Halloween. Those are super fun, and if you want to see one of those type of videos, we will definitely do one later on within the year. But today we're just gonna do some cuticle oils. We're gonna restock, get our inventory up, because these cuticle oils have been flying off the shelf, baby. They are so good. They last me so long, and they last my clients a really long time too. And I am an advocate for oiling your cuticles, so I am gonna tell you to oil them all day long, girl. And my girls have literally had these little cuticle oils for the longest of time. If you guys are interested in trying out this cuticle oil, I will drop a coupon link below for you guys to purchase it on my website. It's a great way for you to expand your business, especially if you're looking for other means of income, or if you're looking into trying to add products into your nail business. It's super easy, doesn't take long to do, doesn't take a lot of energy. Chef's kiss. So yeah, let's get into it. So I am going to be using these cosmetic pins that I received from Amazon. This is my first time actually ordering from this company, but I am very satisfied with the quality of their product. They have an adjustable bottom, which is great, and they also have an extremely soft brush tip for the application of the product. I believe that this is a pack of 50. This is the oil, and these are the items that we're going to be utilizing today. I am going to do 3 different types of flowers, in which the first 2 types of flowers are raised, and then the last flower is going to be pressed. I'm also going to be using a pipette and tweezers. This pipette is brand new, and my tweezers as well as my workstation have been sanitized and disinfected. I'm going to start off by grabbing 7 to 8 pieces of the foil and placing it within the cosmetic pen. It does stick to the sides, so it is a little difficult to make it go all the way in the container. And despite the foil falling on my desk, as I mentioned, has been sanitized and disinfected, so I'm just going to just pick it up and put it within the tube. I am going to hit the tube just a little bit on the bottom so that I can ensure that the foil goes within, and then I'm going to tilt the pen to the side and then pick up some of the oil with my pipette and just carefully place the oil within the container. Tilting it to the side allows for you to have more control over the product and see how much is actually going inside of the tube, and this will help you avoid potentially having a spill and making a mess. I'm going to just continue to add oil until I'm satisfied, and once I am satisfied with the product, I'm going to just gently place the tip of the applicator onto the container, and that will allow for me to close it and seal it off. This is the final product. How pretty is this? Get into it, girl. Like I said, it's super simple, super cute, takes little to no time. I am going to do one more on camera just to show y'all, but it's very simple and it's also very redundant. So I didn't record all of the variations of the cuticle oil, but I did add pictures of them to the end of this video. So if you guys do want to see how the other items turned out and what they look like, definitely do stick around to the end. Again, be sure to check these out on my website, which is linked below. And if you have further questions, please do be sure to comment. I'm glad to help. Also, do be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, beauties.